Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're debunking some myths and shedding light on the top 10 things that don't hurt your credit score. If you've been worried about every little thing affecting your credit, stick around because you might be surprised by what doesn't actually matter. Let's dive in. 1. Checking your own credit score. Number 1 on our list is checking your own credit score. Many people think that checking their score will hurt it, but that's simply not true. When you check your own credit, it's called a soft inquiry, and it has no impact on your score. So go ahead, check your credit score, and stay informed. 2. Utility payments. Next up, paying your utility bills on time is super important, but it doesn't directly affect your credit score. Unless you default and the account is sent to collections, those on-time payments won't show up on your credit report. Just make sure you pay them to avoid any unnecessary hassle. The same thing applies to your cell phone bills. They only affect your credit score if you stop paying and it gets sent to a collection agency. Otherwise, paying consistently does not have any effect on your credit score. Number 3. Renting an apartment. Renting an apartment? Great news. Simply paying your rent on time doesn't hurt or improve your credit score. Some landlords might report rent payments, which could help your score, but missing a rent payment won't show up unless it goes to collections. 4. Income changes. Changing jobs or getting a pay raise? Congratulations! Changes in your income do not affect your credit score. Your credit score is based on your borrowing and repayment habits, not how much you earn. However, some borrowers do consider your income to determine if and how much credit they can extend to you. 5. Debit card usage. Using your debit card is another thing that doesn't impact your credit score. Debit card transactions don't involve borrowing money, so they don't get reported to credit bureaus. It's all about how you manage your credit accounts. 6. Overdraft protection. Overdraft protection can save you from bouncing a check, but it doesn't affect your credit score either. However, repeatedly overdrawing your account might indicate financial trouble, so it's best to avoid it when you can. 7. Closing a bank account. Closing a bank account doesn't hurt your credit score. Unlike credit card accounts, bank accounts are not reported to the credit bureaus, so feel free to switch banks if you find a better deal. 8. Applying for a job. Job hunting? Don't worry. Employers may check your credit report as part of the hiring process, but these inquiries are considered soft and don't affect your credit score. 9. Marriage or divorce. Getting married or divorced doesn't change your credit score. Each person's credit history remains separate. Just be mindful of joint accounts and shared responsibilities during and after marriage. The reason is that if you have a joint credit account, it will show in your individual credit reports. 10. Child support payments. Lastly, paying child support on time doesn't affect your credit score. However, failing to make these payments can lead to legal action and damage your credit if it results in a court judgment or collection account. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 things that don't hurt your credit score. I hope this helps ease some of your worries and clarifies any misconceptions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.